I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here with the Nerf Elite Junior Rookie Pack. And this is quite a nice pack because you get this very sturdy Nerf gun here. It's pretty sturdy and easily reloadable. But you also get 32 of these arrows, which you don't get with a lot of sets. And you need quite a few for it to be able to be, well, kind of fun. So this is a cool gun with a lot of arrows with it as well. And you get these cool little cans that you can shoot. Now you can of course shoot just about anything, but these cans will pop open if you hit them. So that's a pretty cool addition here. And the visor is pretty good. You can aim, and if you aim just a little higher, you will be able to hit the target. So you can see the target while still aiming, and not with all Nerf guns you'll be able to aim quite as well. Now the pump action here is pretty simple. You just click it and it will load the air into the rifle, and this will allow you to shoot any target. Now they shoot pretty fast and pretty far, so you'll be able to hit the target without any issue. Now with the gun, with a quick reload system, all of the darts you get with it, and the cans, this is a pretty cool beginner set. So I really recommend this one for anyone looking for a cool toy for their kids.